Want to generate amazing images like Midjourney but for free? Thus in this video I'm going to show you the best 10 free alternatives to Midjourney to generate high quality images without any watermark to use commercially in your projects. And now let's quickly dive into today's list and get started with the first website for today, that is Aitubo.ai. Here you can find this amazing website to generate high quality images without any watermark and of course for commercial purposes. So all you have to do is you can sign up for free using your Gmail and Google account and insert here in this area your prompt or your description of your image you want to generate here from Aitubo.ai. For example, quickly we can type something like a cute tiger. Okay, and of course you can insert here some negative keywords to exclude from your description and from your image. Then you can select from drop down menu your model you want to generate. Okay, for example we can select this one for example and click over this button generate. Just a couple of seconds. Here you can find some amazing pictures that compete Midjourney for generating high quality images. As you see, amazing, isn't it? So the first website for today, that is Aitubo.ai, and the second website in our today's list is the so-called informational.org. It's a free website to generate high quality images like Midjourney. So all you have to do is to insert here your prompt like the previous example, a cute tiger. Okay, and click over this button. Okay, after selecting your dimensions and your size, then click over this button generate image and you would find these amazing robots replaced by some amazing and beautiful images. And now let's move on quickly to the third website for today, that is Dreamlike.art. Dreamlike.art is one of the amazing AI image generator for free. Then here you can go to this button to join using your Gmail and Google account. And here you can insert your prompt, like in our example, a cute tiger. Okay, and select here the negative prompt and select your number of images you want to generate from this process. Select your aspect ratio or the size of your image. Then click over, so you can make it 2 images, enough. And click over this button, generate 2 images. In just a few seconds. As you observe, without any watermark to use commercially in your projects. And the fourth website for today, that's so-called Desgo.com. Desgo.com. Here in this awesome tool, you can find a couple of amazing AI tools that would blow you away, such as in painting from text, edit image from text to video, and so on. And as in our case today, text to image to convert your text, your prompt, your description to generate high quality image as Midjourney does. So here you can insert your prompt as usual, okay, and select your model from this drop down menu. Okay, so we can keep this default settings, okay. Then click over this button run. And just in a snap, as you see, then you can download it to use in your commercial usage. And the fourth website quickly, that's so-called yo.com. yo.com, one of the best Google and ChatGPT alternatives that you can use for free to look up for some information, data about anything you want. And here in this awesome website, you can find this amazing tool that is YouImagine to generate high quality images. So click over it. And here you can select your model from this arrow and then insert here your prompt as you want, and then you can sign up for free to generate your amazing image. And of course it would be like that. And then you can download them to your device and use them in your projects as you like. And now let's move on to the next website for today. That is Leonardo.ai. Leonardo.ai. If you want to produce and generate spectacular images with the same beauty, the same quality as Midjourney, thus this amazing website is definitely your destination. And of course, here you can join the wait list. Therefore, you can join the Discord account where you can find some servers to generate your images in the free plan, unlike Midjourney. So this awesome website is Leonardo.ai. The next website quickly, that is BlueWillow.ai. Likewise as the previous website, to generate amazing and splendid images as Midjourney does for free. So here you can join the waitlist again, and then you will be taken to a Discord account where you can find some servers to produce your amazing images. And the next website to generate high quality images, that's so-called Picfinder.ai. Picfinder.ai. Here you can generate an infinite number of AI images for free that you can use commercially in your projects. So for example, we can type here something like our today's example, a cute tiger, and click enter. And just inside you can find a bunch of beautiful AI images about tigers as you observe. Therefore, you can download it after upscaling them to use in your projects, personal or commercial use. And the next website quickly in our today's list, that's so-called Lexica.art. Lexica.art, you can take it as a branch of Stable Diffusion, and you can consider Lexica.art is a search engine like Google about images or about AI images. Here you can find over 10,000 AI images that are generated from Stable Diffusion by many users as you observe. High quality images about different topics in different fields as you see. And of course you can generate yours by joining for free using your Gmail or your email. Then you can generate from this button your own images using your prompts, your description as you like. Anyway, if you like one of these beautiful images and these outputs, all you have to do is just you can click over them and you can download it in your device. Save image as directly to your device to use in your projects. However, I prefer to use these old images personally, not commercially. Otherwise, you joined the subscription plan in Lexica.art to avoid any violations or some copyright issues. And the next website quickly, that's so-called Clipdrop.co. Clipdrop.co. Here you can find a couple of amazing AI tools that will blow you away. Like you can uncrop your image, reimagine, remove the background of an image as you want, clean up and remove anything that you don't want in your image. Staple Doodle, Relight, it's an amazing tool by the way. As for our today's topic, for generating high quality images as Midjourney does, so you can select this tool that's so-called Stable Diffusion XL. Then click over this button, generate image. Following that, insert your prompt. Okay, and click over this button, generate. And of course, here you can find some spectacular images. However, they have a watermark. But don't sweat it, because in the same place in this amazing website, you can remove this watermark for free. As you see here, you can find your fantastic images about tiger. So here you can find this watermark that now says Clipdrop. So you can edit this image using clean up imperfections to remove this watermark as an unwanted object in your image, or you can download it as it is, and you can go again to Clipdrop in this homepage and select this amazing tool that's so-called Clean Up to remove this watermark to get it and use in your projects as you like. And now we can move on to the last tool for today to generate high quality images like Midjourney, that is Bing.ai Bing Chat. It's one of the best head-to-head competitors to ChatGPT to generate high quality answers of anything you want. And here as well you can generate fantastic images by your prompt. How's that? Just you can insert here your prompt and you can start with this word generate or imagine about. Just you can create an image about, generate an image about, or imagine that I want to generate something like that. So for example, we can type here something like create an image about a cute tiger. Then click over this. Okay. As you see, it's that simple. So you can download these images to your device and use them freely on your projects. So now you know the all available websites that replace Midjourney to generate high quality images, amazing images for free without any watermark that you can use commercially and personally on your projects. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave the comment section. See you in the next video.